Hi everyone, my name is Rajashekar. Welcome to my channel. Here's a quick tip on using my version 2 of Castle DMX Template. As soon as you download it, make a copy of it and place the Chamsys show file in your documents, Magic Q, show, and the show file would be Castle version2.show. Run the Unreal Engine map, load the Chamsys show file. To access the Castle map, open the content browser, and there's a folder called artists. Get inside this and you'll have two folders, which is for Castle and Virtual Studio. Both are version 2 in this series. You will get to test both the maps in this template. Go to Castle folder and run the Castle map, and go to Virtual Studio if you want to run the Virtual Studio map. So upon opening the Castle map, you will find something like this. If you want to change the time of day, press the control key followed by L. Do not release the control and then move your mouse cursor. In that way you will be able to change the time of day. So this is the DMX library built for Castle map. You can see it's not in order. I've randomly patched it. Patches are mixed up here and there. Why? Because I've kept this intentionally so that I can make a series for you all people on DMX setup for this entire map, which will be covering sometime soon. So that's about the Unreal Engine. It's all set. The fireworks alone, you need to toggle the play. Every other lights will play without the play button toggled. I have a separate video for groups and controls for Castle map. In layout 2, I have the lights group, and below that you would find the positions. So instantly you can change position and also record a new position here. I have kept pre-recorded position in the same layout as group. So for example, the moment you click on a position, you can notice something is highlighting below, which is the pre-recorded position for this group. So if I locate this and click on it, you can notice the position applies. In a similar way, you have all the custom position in exactly the same order for the entire group above. So that's one thing which I missed sharing you in the group and controls video. And do not record on this music fader, which is used for timeline. So this will roll over to every page. And also do not record on the layout, as you might end up overwriting the groups I've created. So that's about few tips on version 2 of this Castle DMX template. Hoping this would be useful for you all. So sometime soon we'll be exploring another massive workflow on this Unreal Engine Castle map along with Chamsys. We'll not be placing lights. The lights will already be placed. I'll just show you some tips on it. But what we'll be mainly focusing is that the patching aspect in Unreal Engine and order which needs to be maintained. And then we'll get back to Chamsys and group all the lights. Some more improved workflow which I'll be sharing you. See you all soon on another video. I'm Rajashekar. Bye.